Hi, now I will be explaining about the SANGFOR WANO backup and restore. The SANGFOR WANO backup and restore allow us to backup the system configuration in the local PC or to backup the WAN optimization configuration in the SANGFOR WANO. It also allows us to restore the system setting and also the WAN optimization configuration. Other than that, we can also restore the settings to the factory default. For the backup and restore of the system settings, Step 1. Configure the system, backup and restore. First, access the WANO. Next, go to the maintenance. Under the backup and restore, there are two tabs available, which is the system tab and also the WAN optimization tab. Under the system tab, in order for us to backup the system configuration, there is a link allow us click to backup. After clicking the link, the Explorer will pop up and ask us whether to backup the system configuration from the WANO of this IP address. We save to the desktop. Now the system configuration is already backed up. As we can see here, the system configuration is already backed up to our desktop. Next, in order for us to restore the system backups, we can click the button Browse, choose for the backup configuration files, and click Restore to restore the backup. Wait for some time in order for the device to restart. After restarting the device, the system configuration is already restored. Now, other than restoring from the backup configuration, we can also restore for the factory default settings. And we can see here, there is a button for us to restore to the factory default settings. By clicking the button and click OK to confirm to restore to a factory default. And take note that all the changes will be lost and the settings will restore to the factory default. Next, for the backup and restore of the WAN optimization settings, we will need to configure the WAN optimization backup and restore. Go to the WAN optimization tab. Under the backup, we can save our description name for the backup up to 6 backups. In our case, we will be saving the description name of testing1. Click the save button and wait for a while. Now we can see that the backup is saved successfully with the current date and time and the description name of testing1. After saving the backups for the WAN optimization, we can restore it under the Restore tab. Now click the Restore tab. We can see that the first one will be the backup that we saved just now. Now click for the Restore button to restore this backup of the WAN optimization settings. Click OK to restart the services and wait for some time. After restarting the services, the WAN optimization settings is already restored. Now access back to the WAN optimization tab. In the case that all the 6 backup slots is being used and is full, we can choose the old backups and save our newest backup in order to replace it. Now we choose for the old backups and enter the description name of the newest backup, which is testing 10 in our case. Click Save and OK to overwrite the old backups. We can see that the old backup is already replaced by the newest backup with the backup time of the current time and the description name of testing 10. Other than replacing and overriding the old backups, we can also choose to delete the old backup in order to empty the slot. After the backup is being deleted, the slot will be available. Now go back to the Restore tab. In the case that the user doesn't want to restore the backup, they can choose to restore factory default setting with the slot of number 7. Click the Restore button and OK to restore the WAN optimization to the factory default settings. Other than restore from the manual backups, user can also restore from the auto backups under the Auto Backup tabs. Choose for the auto backups that the WAN optimization setting is automatically backed up by the WANO. Click the Restore button to restore the auto backups. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.